Troubleshooting a standard IPv4 access list. This is the addressing table. R1 has three interfaces with three directly connected networks: network 10, 172, and 192. Review R1. Enable show running config. Okay, this is gigabit 00, LAN 1, the network 10. Okay, gigabit 00 is placed here. This should be LAN 1 with network 10 and not LAN 3 with network 192. This is incorrect. So ignore this label. Okay. Gigabit 01 is LAN number 2 and network 172. Okay, this is gigabit 01. This should be LAN number 2, network 172. This is incorrect, so ignore this label. And gigabit 02 is the LAN 3 network 192. This gigabit 02 should be LAN number 3 with network 192. And this label is incorrect. Okay, but this addressing table is incorrect. Okay, server 3 uses this IP address on network 10, but server 3 here is on network 192. This is incorrect. Okay, and from now, ignore the addressing table and ignore all the instructions. Okay, I will do it on my own way. This network is meant to have the following three policies implemented. Do not allow hosts from LAN 1, the network 10, access to LAN 2, the network 172, and permit all other access. Okay, and test the connection, test a ping from LAN 1 to LAN 2 and should fail. Okay, this is LAN 1. I will use L3. And ping LAN 2, for example, the server IP address. Enter. Okay, destination host unreachable. This is expected because the connection from LAN 1 to LAN 2 should be blocked. Okay, very good. But now says permit all other access. Okay, the ping from LAN 3 to LAN 2 should be successful. Okay, from L2 ping the server on LAN 2. Okay, but the destination host is unreachable. Okay, L2 should be able to ping the server on LAN 2. Okay, review the configuration on R1, enable show running config. Okay, a standard access list, because the name of the activity is troubleshooting standard access lists. And a standard access list should be placed close to the destination. And LAN 2 is the destination. Okay, LAN 1 is the source and LAN 2 is the destination. And the access list should be placed on gigabit 01 on R1. Okay, and review this. And on gigabit 01, there is an access group. There is an access list called deny LAN 1 out. Okay, and review that access list. Okay, this is the access list deny LAN 1. IP access list standard deny LAN 1, deny network 10, and the wildcard mask. Okay, deny network 10 LAN 1 and deny any. Okay, and this will block any other connection. So that's why LAN 3 is not able to connect LAN 2. Okay, but the policy says permit all other access. Okay, and the network 10 would permit any. Okay, and modify this. Configure terminal. Okay, and remove this access list and create it again. Okay, and remove this access list. Okay, deny dash LAN 1. No IP access list standard. Okay, deny dash LAN 1. Case sensitive, the same name. Okay, remember it's a named standard access list. Enter. And create the access list again using the same name and configure the entries. The first entry is deny the network 10 and use the wildcards. Okay, this is the wildcard for 8. Okay, 8. Enter. But permit any other connection. Enter. Okay, and show running config. Okay, on gigabit 01, the access list is still assigned to this interface, but the access list deny LAN 1 is now modified to deny network 10 and permit any other connection. Okay, try the ping from L3 to server on LAN 2. Enter. Okay, this is very good. Destination host unreachable, but the ping from LAN 3 to LAN 2 should be successful. Enter. Okay, now is successful. Okay. Do not allow the host L2 in LAN 2 network 172 access to LAN 3 network 192 and permit all other access. Okay. The host L2 placed on LAN 2. Okay, this is LAN 2 and this should be host laptop number 2, L2. Okay, review this, the IP address. Okay, remember the addressing table is incorrect. Okay, and this should be the laptop 2, L2. Okay. Okay, this should be L2. This should be server 2. Server 3. L3. LAN 3 and LAN 1. This should be L1 and this should be server 1. Okay. Okay, do not allow host L2 in LAN 2 network 172 access to LAN 3 network 192. Permit all other access. Okay, L2 is the host, is the source, and all LAN 3 is the destination. And a standard access list is recommended to be implemented close to the destination and should be placed here on gigabit 02. Okay, this is gigabit 00, 01, and this should be gigabit 02. Okay, and on gigabit 02 there is an access list called deny L2. Okay, and verify the connectivity from L2 to LAN 3 should fail. Okay, being, for example, to server 3, the server 3 IP address. Okay, successful. But this is not expected because L2 is not permitted to connect LAN 3. Okay, and I said on gigabit 02 there is an access list called deny L2. Review that access list. Okay, deny L2. Permit any connection and then deny host 172.16.02. The IP address of L2. Okay. But the first entry is permitted any connection. And the access list runs from the first line to the last line. Okay, and permit any will permit any connection to work with the first line and will permit any connection. And this second line will be ignored. Okay, the second entry, the deny entry, should be placed first. Okay, and simply remove the access list and configure it again. Configure terminal, no IP access list standard, okay, it's a named standard access list. Okay, use this name, okay, sensitive, remove, and create again IP access list standard deny L2. Deny the host this IP, okay, L2, and permit all other access, okay, permit any, enter, and test ping from L2 to server on LAN 3. Okay, it's not permitted. Only permit host L3 in LAN 3, network 192, access to LAN 1, network 10. Okay, permit host L3 in LAN 3, network 192, access to LAN 1. Okay, access all the LAN 1. Okay, only permit this host to access LAN 1. Okay, this is the source and this is the destination. The standard access list should be placed close to the destination, gigabit 00. Okay, and review gigabit 00. 00 has an access list called permit L3 incoming traffic. Okay, I think should be outgoing. Okay, because if this is the source and this is the destination and the access list is placed here, the traffic will be outgoing. Okay, and review the access list permit L3. It's very good to configure the access list because it's permitting the host L3, this IP address 192.168.0.2. Okay, it's permitting the host, and at the end there is an implicit deny any that will block any other connection. So it's very well configured. But you need to fix this. The access group is incoming traffic and should be outgoing. Okay. Configure terminal interface gigabit 00, no IP access group. The name is this. Permit L3 case sensitive is configured with incoming traffic and configure using the same name with outgoing traffic. Okay, very good. Test from L3 ping to, for example, server 1 IP address. Okay, it should be permitted. Okay, success. With ping from server 3, will not be permitted. Destination host unreachable. Okay. Okay, 100%. Thank you very much.